In this video, we are going to see how we can get the free access to Tableau. If you want to work on the software without any kind of subscription to be paid, you can continue with the Tableau online version. Now the online version, as the name suggests, it doesn't have any kind of cost. It is free to use, but it's public. So any kind of data you shared will be shared to public. So if you're using for your organization or you have any kind of sensitive data, I recommend you to go with Tableau Desktop. Obviously it does have a cost, so you can move with that. The benefit of that is you can save the work locally on your PC, while in the Tableau public, you cannot save it on the desktop. You can save it online. So both of the versions offer similar functionality. If you already have the Tableau desktop version, don't worry, you can go along with that. You can just use that. Don't need to use Tableau public. But if you don't have it, here is the method you can get it for free. Just write on Google Tableau public download and it will show you this Tableau public website. But we will just directly go to Tableau public download, and here you can see this forum and the top rated answer, it's mentioned here. The website is this to download the public version. Let's go in here, and in the create we have the download Tableau desktop public edition. Let's click on this. It only takes 15 seconds to fill out this data. We need to fill this data. We are teacher, educator, but you can use it as a student. Download the app. So the download will begin automatically. If it doesn't, you can click on it manually. In my case, it didn't start. Let's click here. Now it says unverified file blocked. So just click on download unverified file because we are using the official website. So no problem with that. Now it's downloading the software in the background, and meanwhile, let's set you up for the Tableau public account. Let's click on sign up, mention the few basic details. Scroll down and click on create my account. Now once you do that, you need to open the email for further instructions. Let's open that up. Here's the activation link. Activate your account. Please click on the following URL. Let's click on this, and there we go. Let's click on sign in now. Select the country, click on complete sign in, and it will automatically log in and welcome to the data farm, Sadhna theme, and it will show you this screen of welcome. Let's get started. Just click on that. You can select any kind of preferences. What are your goals to learn? Inspiration, curiosity, click next. Customize your profile, next, next, and save. Explore Tableau public. So this is the basic interface you will get in Tableau public. If we scroll down, we have the viz of the day, and if we scroll down further, we don't have any kind of recent activities, and the charts that are trending, the dashboards that are trending are shown right here with the number of views or people who have added it to favorites. And once that is done, we need to open the Tableau application. Just let's install it first because we have downloaded it until now. Or let's actually continue with the download history. Just go to the browser, click on recent download history, click on this link, click on run. I read and accept the license agreement, and click on install. Click yes. Just make sure you are installing the right version, which should be Tableau public. Now it's showing us the main screen. Just remember that when you start working on Tableau, it shouldn't say anything about the free trial version, because that means that you are not using the Tableau public edition. You are using the Tableau desktop as a trial version. If you see any kind of trial until now, I recommend you to follow the complete process again and make sure you are in the Tableau public version, because what it does is you do all the awesome work, ends the subscription after 14 days, and you can transfer your work to the newly purchased. Let's say you want to purchase Tableau desktop, it doesn't transfer the work there. So let's say after all the work you have done on the Tableau desktop version, on the trial version, if you then decide that, okay, you are not using the right version, you want to shift all of that work to public edition, it won't be able to shift it there as far as I know. So that's basically a downside of it. So this is how you can basically set up Tableau public. We have already logged in online and also downloaded the public application. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.